Hello everyone! Today we are going to do a laundry mountain part 2. Usually when I do my laundry, I do a laundry chat for you guys. So I'll tell like a story and you just kind of fold your laundry along with me. That was really hard to say. Fold laundry along with me. But the last video I did was a laundry mountain video where I had so much laundry on this couch. And this time it was still a lot of laundry. So I'm gonna just fold it for you guys. You guys can fold with me. I'm just gonna put some music to it. I'll talk every once in a while. And then I'm gonna go back to doing actual laundry chats. But if you guys would like to do your laundry with me, then go ahead and keep on watching. So usually when I fold laundry, I kind of have a bit of a system that I like to do. I always fold the towels and stuff first. And while I'm going through looking for the towels, then I'll separate each of the laundry. I won't fold anything. I'll just put away or I'll put them in piles. So like I'll put my husband's shirts, my sweaters, his pants. Like I'll just put them all in their own area. But I always fold the towels first because I feel like they take up like the most space, I guess, like the bulky space. And then what I'll do is once I'm done with that and I'll put the towels away, then I will go through the rest of the couch and just pull one section down at a time. So like I'll pull down all of my sweaters, or I'll pull down all of his sweaters, or my shirts, or his shirts. And I just kind of break it down like that, because if not, I feel like I get overwhelmed if I just see like a bunch of different clothes all at once. So I usually do towels first, and then I kind of separate everything, and then I'll go through and fold after I put everything away, if that makes sense. You'll see. So this is what I'm talking about. I know that it looks a mess right now, but I'm gonna go through each pile and it helps me break it down as best as I can. So I have the dog's towels, I have my sweaters and sweatshirts, his sweaters and sweatshirts, his shirts, my pants, and his pants. And then all the towels. Of course, I have like our normal towels, and then it's like our wash rags and kitchen towels. So I'm gonna put these away right now. Then what I'm gonna do after I put the towels away is I'm gonna pull down each one of these and start to knock them out. And then that little thing over in the corner, that holds all of our socks and undergarments and things like that. And I usually go through that after. So see, towels are getting put away, and now we're going to my pants. So my pajama pants, my normal pants, my shorts, my leggings. So I'll just start to pull from there. And then if it's not that big of a pile, because like right here, my pants it's not huge. I don't have a lot of them dirty or clean, I guess. Then I'll take like my husband's pants. That way I'll put my pants and my husband's pants away. And then from there I'll move on to something else. Then with my husband's shirts, I kind of separate them into different sections. So like some are his graphic tees, some are his white tees, some are his like work shirts. If we do stuff around the house, he has like shirts that he doesn't mind getting dirty. So I separate those all into different piles. And then when I put them away, because I'm not folding them that great right now, he's the only one in the house that has the drawers or the dressers. So what I'll do is I'll roll them up, kind of like how you would in like a suitcase. It just leaves more room because I took over both of our closets. So I will just roll them up and it's fine. They don't get wrinkled or anything like that. And if we do, we just kind of steam them. They'll unravel on their own. But that's usually what I do for his clothes. And then mine, I will use hangers. And I hang most of my clothes besides like my workout shirts or like my graphic tees. Then I'll just put those in like a little spot that I have for them. And yes, this is the same pile of clothes that you have been seeing in my last couple of cleaning videos. I think this is 2 weeks worth of laundry. I hate laundry with a passion. It's not even funny. I will leave it for as long as possible because I just hate doing laundry. Anyone else hate doing laundry? Put it down below because I just hate it. And last but not least is the socks. And usually socks, I just put whatever ones all across the couch and then I'll just look for their matches and fold them up. Socks are a pain too. I don't care if they're matching or not. If they're close enough, I'll just put them together. But that's gonna be the end of this laundry mountain video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give me a very big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't already. And I'll be seeing you very, very soon in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.